Hey ladies, how was the workshop today with Dora?
Good.
Good? All happy?
Yes.
Yeah, it was a mind-opening experience.
Yes.
No more nightmares.
Yeah.
I took your horse anxiety away.
Yes.
She learned us a lot. She taught us a lot about our boundaries.
Mm-hmm.
So I learned that I have to relax a little bit and not be too putting too much boundary to the horse.
Yes.
And I learned a lot about my relationship to my boss
Yes.
and how to put a boundary to his. So, what about you, Heidi? You learned
Yeah.
something today.
I got a really good hug and I felt very safe with Dora.
Mm-hmm.
And of course Nadia helped me a lot. Love you.
My pleasure.
I will really recommend Dora and Nadia.
Wonderful. Thank you, ladies.